top of the hour, let's get you details about a shocking statement, a disgusting and wild statement that has been made by a Samajwadi Party leader after the Congress MLA yesterday. ST Hassan of the Samajwadi Party has blamed internet and not rapists, and a shocking justification for rape that he has given. He has said, and I quote, "Men cannot control themselves," is a shocker that is coming from the senior Samajwadi Party leader. And in fact, remember, this comes a day after a similar remark was made by a Congress MLA from Madhya Pradesh. His name is Phul Singh. He had sparked controversy after claiming that beautiful women could disturb men, which could lead to rape, and also link the rape of SC, ST and OBC women to religious scriptures. He had in fact said that man walking on the road could feel disturbed on seeing beautiful women, which according to him could lead to a rape. And now a day later, a shocking statement that is coming from the Samajwadi Party leader, and not just anyone. He is a very senior Samajwadi Party leader. His name is ST Hassan. He has blamed internet and not rapists for the rape, and he has said, and I quote, "Men cannot control themselves," is a big and a disgusting remark that is coming from this leader.
अगर सुंदर महिलाएं निकल रही हैं तो फिर सबके रेप हो रहे होते, लेकिन मैं इस बात को मानता हूं कि ये इंटरनेट बहुत बड़ी वजह है। इंटरनेट के ऊपर जो अश्लीलता इस पर छाई हुई है, जब जवान लड़के उसको देखते हैं तो उनका एक हार्मोन टेस्टोस्टेरोन इतना बढ़ जाता है कि वो फिर अपने को सेक्स परफॉर्म करने से रोक नहीं सकते। इस बीच में अगर कोई महिला या कोई लड़की उनके आसपास फंस जाती है तो उसका रेप हो जाता है। इसकी वजह उसकी ये शराब है। शराब पी के आदमी बीवी और बेटी में फर्क नहीं करता। कितने एग्जाम्पल्स हमारे और आपके सामने हैं, लेकिन क्योंकि उससे पैसा मिलता है, फाइनेंस आता है, कोई इस पे बात नहीं करना चाहता। तो हमारे मानना तो यही है कि रेप के लिए बहुत सख्त कानून हो और चौराहों पे उनको गोली मारनी चाहिए।
For more on this, let me bring in my colleague Mohit, who's been tracking all the details. Mohit, a day after Congress MLA made a similar remark, now it is Samajwadi Party leader, and not just anyone, he is the senior leader of the Samajwadi Party. He has said that internet, hormones and men are not able to control themselves is the reason behind rape of women. Take us through the details.
Well, in fact, he's not just the senior leader. He has been a former member of parliament. He has represented a constituency in our country, in our parliament, and people have voted for him. And you can imagine that such a statement coming in from a former MP, somebody who is close to the top leadership of Samajwadi Party, is something which is very shocking. He has blamed internet for the rapes, and in fact, he has gone on to say that the men are not able to control themselves. Is that a justification of rape? This is something which is very shocking. And given the fact that how the BJP now is saying that this is obnoxious statement coming in from ST Hassan, you see, we have seen in the past too many of our political leaders coming out justifying rape, and they do not think before speaking. They say that the internet is responsible for rape. No, the person, his mentality is responsible for the rape, and a strict action should be taken against the rapist. But when you say that internet is responsible, the men are not able to control their hormones, and that is why rape happens, it gives a way for the men to justify rape, and it makes women feel insecure all across the country. So this is something which is very shocking. He has been a member of parliament. People have voted for him. He should speak with responsibility. And now the BJP is attacking the Samajwadi Party too, saying that there was a statement coming in from late Mulayam Singh Yadav, and BJP is referring to that particular statement. So what we see is something which is very shocking. A statement has come from ST Hassan, who is a very senior leader, as you rightly pointed out. But then what we see is that there has not been any statement after this particular reaction by ST Hassan from the Samajwadi Party, and that is where the BJP says that is he trying to justify rapes, and what exactly is Samajwadi Party doing? Why exactly the Akhilesh Yadav is not coming out and speaking against the statement that has been given by ST Hassan? So what we see is massive politics over this statement, but this is something which is very shocking and obnoxious statement coming in from ST Hassan. Back to you.
Absolutely, and quite shocking that no statement has been given by the Samajwadi Party on this. Stay on with us, Mohit. Let's once again listen in to what ST Hassan said on this.
अगर सुंदर महिलाएं निकल रही हैं तो फिर सबके रेप हो रहे होते, लेकिन मैं इस बात को मानता हूं कि ये इंटरनेट बहुत बड़ी वजह है। इंटरनेट के ऊपर जो अश्लीलता इस वक्त छाई हुई है, जब जवान लड़के उसको देखते हैं तो उनका एक हार्मोन टेस्टोस्टेरोन इतना बढ़ जाता है कि वो फिर अपने को सेक्स परफॉर्म करने से रोक नहीं सकते। इस बीच में अगर कोई महिला या कोई लड़की उनके आसपास फंस जाती है तो उसका रेप हो जाता है। दूसरी वजह उसकी ये शराब है। शराब पी के आदमी बीवी और बेटी में फर्क नहीं करता। कितने एग्जाम्पल्स हमारे और आपके सामने हैं। लेकिन क्योंकि उससे पैसा मिलता है, फाइनेंस आता है, कोई इस पे बात नहीं करना चाहता। तो हमारे मानना तो यही है कि रेप के लिए बहुत सख्त कानून हो और चौराहों पे उनको गोली मारनी चाहिए।
And now a strong reaction has come in from the Bharatiya Janata Party on this. They have said that first the Congress MLA and now the Samajwadi Party leader, S.T. Hassan, has made equally, disgusting remarks as the charge that is coming from the BJP. Listen in.
After the shocking comment of the Congress Madhya Pradesh MLA, who made extremely disgusting comments about women, about rapes, about SC/ST women yesterday, and instead of being sacked was promoted by Rahul Gandhi, now we are seeing Samajwadi Party senior leader S.T. Hassan make equally deplorable comments. He says that because of internet, rapes have increased because seeing the content, the hormones and testosterone of boys increases, and then if they see any woman, that time the woman gets raped. This kind of justification of rapes is the most bizarre and obnoxious and disgusting. But this is a party which says boys will be boys and said that rapists should be forgotten rather than hung. This is the party which defended a particular rapist because he was from their so-called vote bank, and even though he had raped a girl from the PDA community, they did not utter a word.
Let me also bring in Ava Singh, women activist. Thank you so much for connecting with us. How do you look at these statements? These are shameful, sexist and sinister statements, not just from the Congress MLA, but this time from the Samajwadi Party leader, and quite a senior one. Yesterday, the Congress MLA said that beautiful women are responsible for rape, and now this leader is saying that it is internet, it is the hormones of the men who rape the women, they are behind such rape, blaming the internet on this. Your reaction?
I would like to tell these nitwit, I will call them nitwit, politicians or whoever makes such crass statements that rape is a law and order situation. It's a crime, and even their statements like this cannot absolve them or protect them, and that is the reason that you have so many people who commit rape and the conviction rate is so low. They should know that even if there is innumerable pornography, there is anything there, a person should not have the courage to rape a woman, because the criminal justice system depends on deterrence. There has to be a fear of the law, and that is what is lacking, and that is why these people have the audacity to speak. He should have been suspended from the party. It is this patriarchal mindset which is responsible for so many honor killings in Haryana, for so many gang rapes, and in other states also. So I think we should be very strict about such incidents. He should be suspended if it is Congress or Samajwadi Party, be it any party. Even Akhilesh Yadav has a wife, he has a daughter. So he should come forward and say that such statements will not be tolerated.
Absolutely.
Beauty cannot be related to crime. Beauty cannot be related to rape. Even if a woman is semi-dressed on the road, nobody should have the courage to even look at her.
Absolutely. And how do you look at the statement or the lack of statement that come in from the political parties? Because yesterday the Congress did not say anything. Today we are learning that Samajwadi Party has not reacted anything on this disgusting statement that the party leader has said. And when confronted, ma'am, they in fact dodge the blame. They talk about other political parties. No action at all is ever taken on these political leaders.
In fact, if you see these politicians, they immediately start doing whataboutery, that this person said that person said that. In fact, they should be condemning each and every person rather than protecting their spokesmen or protecting their women, their people. Because end of the day, it is about women's safety. Every woman has to be protected, and they should know that the women of this country, if you see now, it is more women who are coming out to vote, and that is the reason that you have people like Yogi Adityanath in UP, because they have made women safe, law and order is their priority. And in fact, you see more women on the roads in Lucknow. I'm from Lucknow and I have never seen such safety in Uttar Pradesh, which is now. So that is the reason parties are going to be voted to power if you are going to keep your women safe. But if you make statements like this, the electorate is going to come and show you the door.
Absolutely. So now it remains to be seen whether the Samajwadi Party and most importantly, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav takes any action against the senior Samajwadi Party leader or not. Thanks so much, ma'am, for connecting with us. Let's once again listen in to what the shameful remark that is coming from the Samajwadi Party leader.
अगर सुंदर महिलाएं निकल नहीं है तो फिर सबके रेप हो रहे होते। लेकिन मैं इस बात को मानता हूं कि ये इंटरनेट बहुत बड़ी वजह है। इंटरनेट के ऊपर जो अश्लीलता इस पर छाई हुई है, जब जवान लड़के उसको देखते हैं तो उनका एक हार्मोन टेस्टोस्टेरोन इतना बढ़ जाता है कि वो फिर अपने को सेक्स परफॉर्म करने से रोक नहीं सकते। इस बीच में अगर कोई महिला या कोई लड़की उनके आसपास फंस जाती है तो उसका रेप हो जाता है। वजह उसकी ये शराब है। शराब पी के आदमी बीवी और बेटी में फर्क नहीं करता। कितने एग्जाम्पल्स हमारे और आपके सामने हैं। लेकिन क्योंकि उससे पैसा मिलता है, फाइनेंस आता है, कोई इस पे बात नहीं करना चाहता। तो हमारे मानना तो यही है कि रेप के लिए बहुत सख्त कानून हो और चौराहों पे उनको गोली मारनी चाहिए।
Shameful, sexist and sinister. These are not the words. They perfectly describe the shocking statement made by the Congress MLA Phul Singh from Madhya Pradesh. In a recent media interview, Phul Singh openly justified rape, linking it to the crime to caste and religious texts. He also claimed that a man's mind could be distracted by a woman's appearance, even suggesting that certain scriptures allow sexual assault as a spiritual act. He went so far to say that Dalit and tribal community women could be raped to gain spiritual merit. These remarks are not just perverse, they are casteist, they are criminal in nature. And that an elected representative from the Congress party holding constitutional responsibility to could make such disgusting statement in a grave insult to every woman and to our society. Now the Congress party, which claims to uphold the values of Ladki Hoon Lad Sakti Hoon, must answer how can such leaders with such a shameless, sick mindset be allowed in the position of power. Listen in to what this Congress MLA said yesterday.
नमस्कार। जिस बयान को लेकर के मेरे ऊपर जो आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं वो बयान मेरा नहीं है। वो हरि मोहन झा साहब बिहार के दर्शन शास्त्र के HOD रहे, उनका लिखा हुआ बयान मैंने किसी संदर्भ में कोट कर दिया है। मैं इस बयान से भी सहमत नहीं हूं।
And what's more disturbing is that when Phul Singh was asked about his shocking statement, he brazenly tried to clarify them, showing no remorse at all. Listen in.
तो मेरा कहने का मतलब है, रेप की थ्योरी ये है कि कोई भी कैसी भी दिमाग का आदमी रास्ते में जा रहा है, उसे खूबसूरत अगर लड़की दिखी, सुंदर, अति सुंदर, तो उसका ब्रेन है वो इधर वो विचलित हो सकता है, तो रेप हो सकता है। क्यों होता है बलात्कार? उनके धर्म ग्रंथों में इस तरह की निर्देश दिए गए।
हिंदू धर्म ग्रंथों में?
हाँ, उनके ग्रंथों में। अब हिंदू है कि नहीं है, मैं उनके ऊपर मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना। उनके ग्रंथों में तो ये लिखा है कि इस जाति के साथ सहवास करने पर ये तीर्थ का फल मिलेगा, इसके साथ ये सहवास करने पर फलाना तीर्थ का मिलेगा, इसको ये करेगा। तो अब वो नहीं जा पाता उस वहां तीर्थ को, तो घर बैठे विकल्प क्या दिया गया है? घर बैठे इनकी औरतों को पकड़ करके सहवास कर दो तो फल मिल जाएगा। तो इसलिए 4 महीने की बच्ची के साथ, 10 महीने की बच्चियों के साथ, 1 साल की बच्चियों के साथ रेप सुने आपने? सुने हैं? क्यों होते? उसके ऑर्गन्स का रेप के लिए तैयार है क्या? नहीं, उसे दिखाई देता है कि इस जाति की महिला के साथ या लड़की के साथ रेप करूंगा तो मुझे वो फल मिलेगा।
And now the Bharatiya Janata Party has hit out at the Congress MLA Phul Singh, calling the statement absolutely poisonous, and rightly so. The Bharatiya Janata Party has said that Rahul Gandhi must immediately throw him out of the party. Listen in.
कांग्रेस के नेताओं के और खास करके कांग्रेस के वरिष्ठ नेता राहुल गांधी आ रहे हैं और समाज में से जहर घोलने वाले बयान देकर के फूल सिंह बरैया ने जो सामाजिक विद्वेष फैलाने का काम किया है, मैं उम्मीद करूंगा कि राहुल गांधी जी आकर के अपने विधायक से भी कहे, सस्पेंड करे, पार्टी से बाहर करे, लगे कि हाँ उनके मन में समाज के बाकी वर्गों के लिए भी कोई सम्मान है। मैं उनके इस बयान की निंदा भी करता हूं और फूल सिंह बरैया विधानसभा के विधायक हैं, मैं मान के चलता हूं उनका अपना उत्तरदायित्व है कि वो इस प्रकार की बातों से बचे।
बहुत ही गंदा कहा है, अभद्र भाषा कही गई है। मुझे लगता है कभी भी सामाजिक जीवन में इस प्रकार की सोच और इस प्रकार की भाषा का प्रयोग नहीं होना चाहिए। ये एक विधायक है जिनको हम माननीय जी कहते हैं, राहुल गांधी के बगल में बैठते हैं, प्रियंका जी के करीबी माने जाते हैं, और उस मंच पे जब बोल रहे हैं तो स्वयं दिग्विजय जी मौजूद है, किसी ने रोका नहीं। बाबा साहेब के नाम पे जब ऐसे शब्द कहे जाते हैं तो ये बाबा साहेब के आत्मा के ऊपर चोट है। आप कह रहे हैं कि सुंदर लड़की को देखने से रेप करने का मन करता है और तीर्थ के लिए रेप किया जाता है। कौन से ग्रंथ में लिखा है?
तो अब ये स्पष्ट हो चुका है कि ये सहयोग नहीं, ये सोचा समझा प्रयोग और उद्योग है कि ऐसी टिप्पणियों को पेट्रोनाइज, लेजिटिमाइज करने का काम राहुल गांधी कर रहे हैं। राहुल गांधी का हाथ ऐसे लोगों के साथ जो हिंदू आस्था पर और जो महिला सम्मान पर चोट करते हैं, और ये पहली बार नहीं है। इससे पहले भी हमने देखा कि किस प्रकार से शांति धारीवाल हो, कर्नाटका कांग्रेस के एमएलए हो, जो रेप को लेकर अभद्र टिप्पणी करते हैं, उन पर कोई कार्रवाई नहीं होती। लड़की हूं, लड़ सकती हूं कहने वाली प्रियंका वाड्रा जी आज चुप क्यों है? क्या इस नेता को पार्टी से निकाला जाएगा या राहुल गांधी की कोर कमेटी में शामिल किया जाएगा?
So now it remains to be seen whether the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav responds to this violent, disgusting statement by his party leader will also remain silent like the Congress party. With this, a short break.